Hi everyone and welcome. So you join us today. I've now turned the car around and we are heading back down the hill of Cromford Road from the Crich Tramway Museum. And we're going to take a right turn down Browns Hill to the centre of Crich. We'll be making a left turn or going straight on along the common, and that will take us all the way down to Crich Common. We'll go all the way down from there to Bullbridge, and then we'll get to the bottom of the road, the A610, Ripley Road. You would turn left if you wanted to get back to the A38, and that would take you past the Excavator Pub all the way down to the A38. Or you can go right, and that is the direction we're going in, which will bring us to the junction of the A6. And once you get to the A6, you have a choice of going left and heading down to Milford and Belper, and you can go right and that will take you to Matlock, but we're going to turn at the junction and basically we are going to Ambergate, and we are calling in at the Ambergate chip shop, which I could highly recommend if you're in the area and you don't want to go to Matlock for chips. Ambergate chip shop, brilliant chips, and the guy behind the counter, absolutely lovely guy, really good. And we had a bag of chips, massive bag of chips, fantastic. So yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.